Sometimes waiting is so hard for me, too. But I know. What if we play Patty Paws?
Awesome idea, Bitsy. Doing something fun can make a long wait feel faster.
Let's try it. Patty Paws, nuzzle and purr. Patty Paws, nuzzle and purr. Fine, I'll play too. Patty Paws, scratch my fur. Hey, this is kind of fun. Patty Paws, scratch my Today, Willa had a hard time waiting for night because she wanted us to see a special jungle rose that only blooms at night. And Labrat didn't want to wait for the jungle rose to bloom either. So she used her weather zapper to make it get dark early. But Super Kitties know you can have fun while you wait. And I'm taking that to heart.